Homemade cough syrup with onion and honey, effective and natural. It's so easy to make using only 2 common household ingredients. Onions are one of the best superfoods and one that most people will have in their cupboard. Not only are they rich in vitamin C and shown to have antibacterial and antiviral properties, but they, along with garlic and ginger, are also said to be natural expectorants, which can help ease a dry cough. It's why people tend to drink ginger tea when they have a cold. This natural cough syrup particularly effective in nipping a persistent cough in the bud. The expectorant qualities of onions help to loosen mucus and clear it from your lungs each time you cough. It's a simple and inexpensive way to soothe the symptoms of a cold. Honey is also a natural expectorant and can also help soothe throats that have been made sore from coughing, so it really is the perfect partner to onion in this natural cough syrup. Use raw honey for maximum health benefits, but remember not to give it to a baby less than 12 months old, as honey can be potentially toxic for them. Adding honey to the onion juices also sweetens the syrup, which can help if you find the flavor of raw onion too strong. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice in your syrup can also help to lift the flavor. Of course, if raw onion is your thing, then feel free to eat it directly the next time you feel a cough coming on. Here's a really simple yet effective natural cough syrup that uses everyday store cupboard ingredients. Ingredients: 300 grams chopped brown onion, 4 to 5 tablespoons raw runny honey, fresh lemon juice, optional, to taste. Method: peel 1 onion. Chop it into small pieces and place them in a jar, glass or cup. Pour 2 tablespoons of liquid honey over the onions. Use sugar or other vegan sugar substitutes for vegan cough syrup or when you have no honey at home. Let the mixture sit for 6 to 10 hours or overnight. Pour the liquid gathered at the bottom into a separate glass. All done. Your homemade cough syrup is ready. Take 1 spoonful 2 to 3 times a day. Does homemade cough syrup with onion juice and honey really work? Yes. Onions have antibacterial properties. Combine them with honey for a quick and effective homemade cough remedy. Honey and onions really do work as a homemade cough remedy. Onion juice and honey, how this homemade cough remedy works. Onion juice and honey represent 2 of many home remedies for coughs. Onion has been used for centuries as a traditional household remedy for sore throats, earaches and insect bites. It is thought to have anti-inflammatory, germicidal, antibacterial and analgesic effects, which is why this homemade cough syrup is so effective. Furthermore, honey has antioxidant and antibacterial,